Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives using app called RAR on Doogee S98. So in order to do this, first we will need to get this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's open it. From here find the folder that contains the files you want to pack. Select each file that you want to create a zip file with, or a RAR file. Click on this plus button, and from here you'll be able to change archiving options. So you can change the name, extension of this file, any of these options, set up the password. In advanced there'll be more advanced settings, and in the options there'll be more options. For a comment you can leave any description about this archive, and when everything is done, click OK. And as you can see, we just created a camera.rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.